Good morning. Myself Ashagila Devi, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the subject CS3391 Object Oriented Programming. In this object oriented programming, we are going to discuss about a topic Javafx Events. So Javafx events have several types of applications such as desktop, web and graphical applications. So by using this, we can develop all these things of desktop application or web application or a graphical application. So most of the application in the current world need to use you need to be an user interacted one. So for that we need this JavaFX components. An event is said to have happened in a situation where the user interacts with the application nodes. So these events can be triggered by using either by using a mouse movement or by the button pressing or page scrolling, etc. So these events are able to give notification to that something has happened to the end user. So what is the syntax of a JavaFX event? There are several events in the JavaFX, but for event classes, the package which you are using is javafx.event, which is considered as the base class for that JavaFX event. So we have different kinds of events which is supported by JavaFX. First one is a mouse event. So this event occurs when the situation where the mouse it is clicked. When we click the mouse, it happens. So the class which we are using is mouse event, where M and E is capital letter. We know that it's Java is a case sensitive language, so the capital letter should be in the same manner. And what are the actions it should taken is it uses event handler. So what are the actions it support? It support clicking of mouse, pressing the mouse, releasing the mouse, and moving the mouse, target entering, target exiting, etc. So the event handler we are using is event handler, and you have to create an object for that equal to new event handler of. The next is event is key event. This event occurs in a situation when the keystroke happens in a node. Example class which we are using is key event. So the action for this is typing a key, pressing a key or releasing a key. Here also with the syntax we are using is event handler. For this we have to create an object. Next is drag event. This event occurs in a situation where dragging the mouse is done. So the class which you are using is drag event. So the actions which support are entering the drag, dropping drag and entering into the target and exiting from the target, etc. So here also we are using the syntax of event handler. And next is window event. This event occurs in a situation where the keystroke happens at the node. So the class which we are using is window event. The actions happens is hiding window and showing window. This also supports event handler. And next we are going to see how the JavaFX event handling works. So event handling is a process in which the decisions to determine what has to be done or what has to be happen when an event occurs and how to control the particular event. So for this we are using a code for event handler that gets executed at the time when the particular event occurs. So JavaFX offers several handlers as well as it filters for handling that event. So the events, an event represents an occurrence of something on an application. Either it may be a mouse click or mouse move or anything. So in a JavaFX, an event is an instance of JavaFX.event class or any subclass of event. So next is what are the table event properties? We are using source and target. Source is the origin of the event and target is a node on which the action should occur. So what are the events which we are using? The events types are either if it is a event means it is key pressed, key released, key typed, key entered, key exited. These are all some of the event types. So event types are always hierarchical. The event type has a name and a super type. So for example, the name of the event for the key is pressed means you have to write it as key underscore pressed. So this is the event hierarchy. First, if it is in any event means first it is divided into three types: input event, action event and window event. Under input event we have key event, mouse event, etc. Key event can be classified as it may be a pressed or released or typed. For mouse event it may be pressed or released. For window event, it may be showing, or it may be window close or window maximize. All these events are occur inside that window event. The top level in the type of hierarchy is a event root, which is equivalent to event, any event. The subtypes are which we have given, that is input event, action event, and window event. And next we are going to discuss about what is the event delivery process. The event delivery process has the following steps. First, we have to select the target, that is target selection, then route construction and event capturing. Finally, we have to use event bubbling. So that's all about the events. Thank you.